Hivi majuzi baba akirudi, we are going to announce our shadow cabinet. Shadow cabinet, because we want to hold them to account. Complete with their own budget, which will be presented. I think one time Bill Okero, if you remember Jim, presented an opposition budget. Because we must hold this country. We have only this country to call home. Hatuna mahali pa kwenda. Lazima tuvumiliane, lakini tuogope Mungu kwanza.
We are going to work hard for the leadership of Raila Amolo Odinga with his brother, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. And I beg you, brother Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, don't look back. You are got a steady hand. We are working against his government, and we are working against the candidature of Raila Amolo Odinga. And we named names. And Mbadi, I love you for it. Mbadi okinyalibiro kamoro moko wacho gimani chunye. I like it.
Mheshimiwa Ruto, wewe ushapata kiti sasa. Maneno ya kutuambia ati mimi ni mtu ametoka kwa baba ambaye hajulikani, hiyo imekwisha wakati wa kampeni. Wakati wa kutupea manifesto hiyo imeisha. Sasa sisi tunataka kazi ifanywe.